Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech Solution channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set event on Outlook. So guys, go to Outlook. Now tap on the calendar, tap on the plus icon. Now here you have to enter the event title. Then you can also add here any people if you want. Then you can select the option all the event from here, and then you have to select the event date from here. There is the event start date and here is the event end date, so you have to set by your own. And after that you can select your location from here if you want. Then you can descriptions here add that you want, and after all this you have to just tap on the right option in the corner. So guys, that's it. That's how you can create or set any event. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.